This is from what I've played it so far. It's an awesome single-player story-focused game, with at least 1 million rats. So guys, we have a Plague Tale limited edition press kit. Let's open it and see what is inside the box. A Plague Tale Innocence PS4 copy. A mousepad, looks nice, but quality not so great. But we have this great quality portrait, looks really nice. What do we have in this tiny pouch? Wow, it's pendant. Did you know? Who is this pendant belong? Comment if you know. Art from the Plague Tale. Let's speak inside and see all the artworks. Wow, the pictures in this art book is so good. I'll personally like. This is one of the better art books. Let me know your thoughts on this game. The Anno 1800 Collector's Press Kit. Red box with gold text and design. Such a nice looking box. Let's open it and see what's inside. Anno 1800 limited metal DVD case. A game copy. Some high-quality portrait artworks. And finally the Anno 1800 art book. What a fancy collector's edition. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.